Bet you can't guess all these animal facts. Let's see your IQ level. If you answer the last question, you're a genius. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A. Bald eagle. B. Wandering albatross. C. Andean condor. It's B. The albatross has an 11 feet wingspan. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. The answer is C. 3 hearts pump its blue blood. Which animal sleeps the least? A. Giraffe. B. Dolphin. C. Bullfrog. The answer is A. Giraffes sleep just 30 minutes a day. How many times can a bee sting? A. 1. B. 10. C. Unlimited. The answer is A. Honeybees die after one sting. A tiger's stripes are on its A. Fur only. B. Skin only. C. Both fur and skin. The answer is C. Shave a tiger, stripes remain. Comment your score. More quizzes coming soon.